Hi there, you're watching Swastik videos, and in this episode I have got with me the Honor 7X. This mobile is made in China by Huawei company. I have this Indian retail unit. Honor 7X is successor to Honor 6X, and in the box it is mentioned that the device is priced at 14,000 Indian rupees, but in Amazon.in it is currently selling at 200 US dollars, which is equivalent to 13,000 Indian rupees. It says full view display. Also, it mentions a dual camera setup, and battery is 3340 mAh battery. Talking about the specifications, it says a Octa Core CPU, 4 GB RAM, 32 GB internal storage, Android 7, Full HD Plus display, 16 plus 2 megapixel rear camera setup along with a 8 megapixel front shooter, 4G ready, Geo-VoLTE is supported along with a fingerprint sensor. Talking about the SAR value, it has 1.23 weight per kg. Now let's just open up the box. First we get this phone with massive 6-inch display, and I must say it looks quite familiar with Honor 9i, which is recently launched. Let's see what else do we get in the box. At $200 we get some pretty promising specs. We get this SIM ejector tool along with a back case. Let me show you. The phone with metal build is quite slippery, so applying these back cases becomes necessary to prevent from damages. We also get a charger. This is a standard 5V 2 amperes. So fast charging isn't supported out of the box, and this is a data cable. Now let's just look at the handset itself. The screen is having 18:9 aspect ratio, due to which Honor 7X has got huge 5.9 inches display, which is near about 6 inches. So media consumption will be a great experience in this device. Talking about the pixels per inch density, you are getting 407 ppi, and this is a IPS LCD display with Gorilla Glass protection. It looks very modern, and at front we do get this Honor branding. Honor 9i has got dual camera setup at the front also, but note, in this Honor 7X we have just got single 8 megapixel front camera. Moving to the back, we have dual camera setup. Main is the 16 megapixel sensor and the other is a 2 megapixel sensor. It comes with two variants. It has 4 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage, priced at $200 US. The other variant is at 64 GB internal storage. That too comes with 4 GB RAM, which is selling currently at 16,000 Indian rupees, or which is equivalent to $250 US. It looks very premium when compared to its predecessor, that is Honor 6X. On the top we get secondary noise cancelling microphone. We also get aluminium metal build all over. We have these volume and power on off buttons. On the bottom we have single speakers along with main microphone, USB port and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Here we have the SIM tray. Let's have a look. So again guys, we are getting dual hybrid SIM solution. You can either put 2 nano SIMs or 1 nano SIMs along with a micro SD card. Let's boot this up. It says powered by Android. Let me set this up. Talking about the processor, Honor 7X is powered at high silicon Kirin 659 chipset. This chip is Octa Core processor, which is based on ARM Cortex A53 architecture. Out of 8, 4 cores are clocked at 2.36 GHz and other 4 cores are clocked at 1.7 GHz frequency. This chipset is comparable to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 630 chipset. It is Mali's T80 MP2 GPU, that is Mali T830 MP2 GPU. It also supports FM radio. We are getting typical EMUI, that is 5.1, so it is quite different from stock Android experience. Now just check the sound quality. Sound is very crisp and clear. Let's check the Android version. So I'm sure that it is running at Android Nougat, that is Android 7. So I hope that Honor pushes update very soon. We have options for twin apps like the one dual apps in MIUI. So here we get twin apps in EMUI. So we can have two WhatsApp or Facebook accounts on the same device. Some people find this feature very useful. We also have option for choosing different home screen styles. As out of the box, app drawer is missing. We can enable it in the settings itself. It's typical Honor's EMUI. Again, if you have used any Honor devices in past, this would be a familiar territory to you. There is some bloatware which is pre-installed out of the box. Gyroscope sensor is absent in this device, which is a major drawback. It has health app and probably a pedometer functionality is present in this device. Let's just check the brightness. Now let's look at the fingerprint scanner. Honor devices have very fast fingerprint recognition abilities. Same is the case with the Honor 7X here. As soon as you tap, it unlocks very swiftly. Now let's just check the camera. Shutter speed is fast. We have portrait mode due to second camera. Wide aperture mode is also present. Bokeh effect is decent. Maximum resolution in the video recording is 1080p. Optical and electronic image stabilization is absent in this device. 4K video option is also absent. We have blue color here. Rest you also get a golden and a black variant. The matte finish means smudges and fingerprint will be at the minimum. Overall at $200 you are getting a premium metal build along with a 18:9 aspect ratio at the resolution of 407 ppi on a massive 6-inch display. Along with this, dual camera setup is also there. This is a great value for money. What do you guys think about this? Let me know through your comments. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, subscribe for more such content. Also press the bell icon for future updates. This is Swastik signing off. Thanks for watching this review. Bye bye.